If you're looking for the best email automation software, you've probably come across Campaign Monitor and Moosend. But which one actually gives you better results? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool is the right fit for you, and if there's an even better alternative you should consider. First, let's talk about ease of use. Campaign Monitor has a clean, professional interface with a strong focus on visual email builders. It's great if you want sleek, high-quality emails without much effort. Moosend, on the other hand, has a more beginner-friendly approach with drag-and-drop simplicity, but it doesn't always feel as polished. If you're new to email marketing, Moosend might be easier to get started with, but Campaign Monitor feels more refined once you get used to it. Next thing, automation capabilities. Campaign Monitor offers powerful automation tools, especially when it comes to segmentation and personalization. You can create advanced customer journeys based on user behavior, but there's a catch: it can feel a bit rigid compared to competitors. Moosend also has solid automation features, including conditional triggers, but it lacks some of the depth and customization that Campaign Monitor offers. If your automation needs are simple, Moosend does the job well. But for more advanced workflows, Campaign Monitor has the edge. Another key factor, pricing. This is where Moosend really stands out. It's one of the most affordable email marketing platforms out there, offering unlimited emails on its cheapest plan. Campaign Monitor, on the other hand, charges based on the number of subscribers, which can get expensive quickly. If you're running a small business or startup, Moosend might be the smarter financial choice. But if budget isn't a concern and you need more polished features, Campaign Monitor might still be worth it. The fourth thing, deliverability. Your emails are useless if they don't actually reach inboxes. Campaign Monitor has strong deliverability rates, partly because of its dedicated servers and strict anti-spam policies. Moosend is decent in this area, but isn't as well known for consistently high inbox placement. If deliverability is a top priority, Campaign Monitor is the safer bet. Now, integrations. Both platforms work with major CRMs, e-commerce tools, and other third-party apps. Campaign Monitor integrates smoothly with platforms like Salesforce and Shopify, while Moosend covers a wide range of apps, but sometimes requires workarounds for more complex setups. So, which one should you choose? If you need advanced automation, top-tier deliverability, and a premium email building experience, Campaign Monitor is the better choice, but it comes at a cost. If you're on a budget and need a user-friendly option with decent automation, Moosend is a solid pick. That said, after testing all of them myself, I found an even better alternative that combines the best features of both without the downsides. If you're serious about email automation and want the best results, check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.